Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back over Prospertown Lake to look at the Flash vertical velocity on construction update number 2 for March 3rd, 2024. First, let's fly all the way over to Nitro where we can see the track staging area over underneath it. On screen now you're going to see the video Great Adventure posted, which showcases the track being taken out of their containers and being put underneath Nitro, where they also staged Jersey Devil Coaster. It looks to be about 8 pieces of track that have arrived so far, and no supports. Now, of course, there is more news than just track arriving, because the construction progress on the site has been moving very swiftly. And I was waiting for a perfect time to post a video like this to show you guys everything that's been happening over the last month. We can see the footers extend very far out, all the way over by the refurbished bathrooms near Ferris Wheel and Sky Screamer. And it's going to be a very, very long footprint, as you can see from this zoomed in drone footage. I am super excited to see how the Flash goes this summer. Probably see it going vertical within the next 2 weeks, maybe close to opening day on March 16th. But that's not all. Great Adventure posted a short video showcasing everything they're doing for this upcoming season, and that's going to play real quick on screen now. It includes refurbishing Main Street Market, refurbishing Brewhouse, brand new brick pathway being laid into place, which I'm also going to cut to on screen now. You can see from the drone how that looks. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next update when we get closer to the park opening. See you guys in the next one, and peace.